Ngingubaba namhlanje. Ngineyingane ezingibiza ubaba. Azi uNkulunkulu unginikeze umthwalo. Wanginikeza impi ukuthi ngiyilwe azi kahle ukuthi angeke ngiyikhona. Ngilapha namhlanje awaiting my death. Awaiting the last day la ngizophefumula khona okugcina. Ngoba lempi bebenginikeze yona ibingaphezulu kwamandla ami.
Sanele, my guy, I'm sorry about what happened in your life. And don't get me wrong. Yes, it was not fair, and I'm not judging you. I don't know what you're dealing with on a day-to-day basis. I don't know your problems. But all I'm saying is that if I were to fall in love, knowing that I was gonna die anytime soon, I was going to love my woman like never before. Like I'm trying to break the record. I wouldn't even mind jumping off the highest cliff without considering the repercussions. Because I wouldn't want to be remembered as someone who was broken and lifeless. No. But I want to be remembered as someone who is loving, caring, someone who is full of passion and zest. But most importantly, someone who loved her confidently and unconditionally. See, I was gonna love her with a love that was gonna keep burning, even when I'm gone. So you should do the same, Fana. Appreciate life. Because as for me, I was gonna take her as the best thing that has ever happened to me. And that is what you should do. See, I was gonna take death out of my tongue and speak life to her. I was going to take death and stomp it under my feet, carry happiness over my head, clothe myself with love and overflow with hope, but only if I was in love.
My guy, that was a bit harsh though, but very true.
Yabona umuntu mangathi akakujudge before akhuluma uyazi ukuthi ujajiwe ke wena. That's why mina ngingafuni ukunitshela indaba zami. Because mase sikhuluma iqiniso, who wants to know that it's not getting any better? Nonke nifuna nginitshela ukuthi no, I'm getting better, I'm okay. But at whose expense? Why should I lie in order for ukuthi nina nibe right? Why should I suffer in silence? Ayisuka man.
Well, I'm sorry you took it that way, Nondomeso. What I actually meant was that I was pointing out all the wrongs and making them the right. But what I mean actually is that I was going to overdo it. More like show her that we can still do this life thing, even if death is deadly.
Okay. So, Sanele, tell me. Uyamuzwa ukuthi uthini uNkokhelo and maybe he's provoking your feelings and emotions. Uzizwa kanjani ngalokho? And what do you think about whatever he's saying right now?
Ukuthi asikho isidingo sokureact. Ngoba kukho ongakushintsha ngalokho. Ngeke ushintshe abantu ubenze bakuhloniphe. Ushintshe abantu indlela abacabanga ngayo, abenza izinto ngayo. Kwesinye isikhathi kuyafuneka ukuthi uvedane ubayeke nje uziyeke izinto zenzakale ngalendlela ezenzakala ngayo. Ungasolo ukuchazana nento ekungemelanga uyichaze. Kuye kwenzeka ukuthi izinto uma uziyeka kanjalo uyithole kuba khona labo ongasakhulumisani nabo nalabo abazophuma empilweni yakho. Kodwa kumele ukwazi ukukodwa nje kuphela ukuthi yabona empilweni uyakhona ukuthi uphile ngaphandle kokunceka kwizinto ezenzakala phambi kwakho nezenzakala eduze kwakho. Kodwa uma unganceka ngezinto ezingaphakathi kuwena ungayithola uphila ngendlela elungile. ukuze impilo ibe lula ngcono uqale uncike kuloku okukusebenzelayo wena wazi ukuthi ukhetha into eyodwa empilweni yakho. Mina engikukhethile is to work on myself and my inner peace. Engizama ukusho kuwe but kwazi ukuthi singabantu asifani and angeke sibuye sifane futhi. Ikakhulukazi engimangizoyiqinisa ngithi talk is cheap. Ikakhulukazi kulaba abantu abangabhekananga nethunzi lokufa.
Oh, me? I'm dead already.
No, you're not. Lokhu kusho nje for the sake of proving a point.
Well, actually, I'm dead.
Mr. Nkokela Blossom, I know that you are expecting me to say that you have full remission and you are a cancer survivor, but unfortunately that's not the case. You see, when we did your transplant, we didn't realize that some of the cancer had advanced to other parts of your body. I'm talking about your spinal cord, your intestines. Half of your body is infected with this disease. Out of 100, we have 30% chances of surviving this.
Now you're just being rude for no reason.
Angicabanga ukuthi Nkokela urude. Nami ngibhekene nokufa. Just because ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyoshona nini, lokho akusho ukuthi ngizoshona kuqala kunalabo abangazi. Kunabantu abazalwa befa. Kodwa wena ngomusa kaNkulunkulu usaphila. Kunezingane ezihlukunyezwayo, ezibulawayo, kodwa wena ngoNkulunkulu usamile. Kunabantu abangafikanga wena lapho ufike khona. And yet you are blaming God. Ngokwenzela umusa. Hayibo guys, mina ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi sokukhala lesi. Ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi sokujabula, sokujabulela iyona lempilo esinayo njengamanje. Let's keep on fighting because you know what? We're still winning.
What happened to Zandile?
Bazomngcwaba.
I know, silly. I mean, what's gonna happen to her now that she's no more?
Mina ngiqinisekile ukuthi lapho khona umphefumulo wakhe ukutholile ukuthula futhi namanxeba wakhe sewapholisiwe. Wherever she is, ujabulile.
I know, babe, but motho ona sa tshwanela go shwa ka tsela eo. What's up? Mohlomong a ne re mo mametsi ka para mo emela. Ikabantsa phila ngwana batho. I don't think death is a happy ending to a married woman.
Yazi thina la South Africa si-ignorant. I mean, sikwazi ukwenza amahlaya, create memes ezitrendayo, senza ama-jokes nangezinto ekungamelanga senza ama-jokes ngazo. Mina ngikholwa ukuthi umphefumulo kaZandile ubusukulindela ukuphuma nje kanjalo. Noma singasho ukuthi hey uNkulunkulu besembiza, mina ngikholwa ukuthi uZandile into bekayifuna leyo. uZandile into bekayifuna ukuhlukana nje nale yandoda azitholela uthando. Bengakudeserve ukufa ngalendlela.
She didn't. Watsake na le tshepo e kgolo ya hore lerato le tla qeta maqebana kaofela le ha re sa wa boneng, because Angel lerato le a fodisa. Lerato le thoba maikutlo, and yes, love has the power to create change. Sana se hloka ke lerato e seng lefu. Ke a ipotsa le hore phofolo e ne na le mme kapa ngwana. But still, that's not the case, because even Zandile herself didn't have a loving family. But that does not mean she deserved to be brutally killed like that.
Yazi thina siyathanda ukukhuluma ngesihoko. Futhi senza noma yini ukuthi singayi kule ndawo le. Kodwa mina ngikholela ukuthi isihoko nje sikhona la ezingqondweni zethu. I mean, just look around you. Kunezimpi, kunokuzondana, kuyabulawa, kuyadlwengulana ngesihlungu. Ngikayibhala incwadi ngiqede. Like, dude, Mina ngikholela ukuthi lo mhlaba esiphila kuwe uyisihogo nje already.
All I can say is that moya wa ngwana batho ha ho ba le ka kgotso, but I still cannot believe that she's no more. You know, death has become part of our lives, and I think that we need to accept it. Nna ke a o rata Angel. Haholo e seng hanyane.
Nami ngiyakuthanda Nkokhelo. Ngizocela ukuthi utshale izimbali ekuthuleni lami sengishonile, so that umuzili uzongivakashela, you can always pick me up and hold me tight.
That sounds too far though. Can I hold you now?
No.
Come on.
I'm kidding. You can hold me.
It's 5 in the morning, goddamn, I like drinks in my cup already.
Ngicabanga usihlehlise kancane ngisho ngoba umuntu esimaziyo ushonile and thina ngapha siyazikhipha for a celebration. Doesn't that looks a bit weird to you?
Now, Ratolaka, we can't keep postponing. And even if we postpone, you can't postpone time. And I guess we postpone fela just because moto sa hlokahetse. I mean, their time has come. If you have plans about the future, you continue with your plans.
Okay, Dr. Phil.
Yeah, man. So if you have plans about the future, you keep it moving. Hobane ha ona bonnete ba hore if wena you die, people will cancel their plans for you.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa. So, ithi endlini ngiyashesha uzongilindela ngithi.
Okay, but kisinyana.
Hayibo Nkokhelo, ikiss yani manje? Abantu bayashona la ngaphandle into icabanga ikiss, hayi izongithola emayibulo.
What if awubuyi ke? That's the thing.
And siyaye kukhuluma ngokufa ngithi.
Cool.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye. Sanibona mama baba.
Yebo mntanami kunjani?
Kanti la yakani?
Yeah, I'm going for hiking.
Hiking. Wena?
Angel.
Ba. Usukhohliwe isimo sempilo yakho ukuthi sihamba kanjani mntanami?
Yesiphi leso simo ukhuluma ngaso baba?
Mntanami. Sikhathazekile ngawe, sikhathazeke kakhulu.
Kodwa mama sikho isidingo sokuthi nikhathazeke ngami. Ngi-right mina.
Siyakubona ukuthi u-right kona, kodwa ngathi so-right kakhulu kulamalanga.
Oh wow, you guys have my attention now.
Yabo wena nalo mfana wakho senisondelene kakhulu manje. Sohamba nasebusuku. Ukhohliwe yini uthi yakhula?
Mama, loya mfana is not just any boy. Since ngingasayi esikolweni, he has became my teacher. He teaches me about myself. Just imagine, that boy is not just any boy. Udokotela wempilo yami. Yebo akakwazi ukubuyisela emuva lokho abadokotela abakushilo and save my life. But he has given me a new meaning of life. Yazi njengoba ngingasayi esikolweni, ungenza ngikhohlwe nokuthi ngiyagula. All thanks to you guys for reminding me that I'm actually sick.
Hey, awukazi man wathi nabangani babafana.
But you did not specify.
Kodwa mntanami, sikhathazekile ngawe. Mekungenzeka nje kwenzeke something singekho.
Just say it, ma. Just say that I might die. Khumbula ukuthi that boy is not just any boy. He is everything to me. Deep down in my heart, I am married to him. He is my husband. And it will be an honor if I were to die in his arms. He is the light in my darkness. He is the life to death. Angidingi mina yonke lento. Ngimthanda ukundlula imisipha yegazi ithanda igazi, ngimthanda ukundlula inhlanzi ithanda amanzi, ngimthanda ukundlula isibhakabhaka sithanda inyezi. Kunokuphefumula ngikhetha uthando lwakhe. Nini into bekumele ngabe nezikhathaza ngayo is that am I gone insane or develop some mental illness ngenxa yothando lwakhe.
Hayi bengazi mntana umuntu usaba imbongi.